Have you ever dreamed of living in a home that combines rustic charm, modern comfort, and spacious design, all in one perfect space? Barndominiums have taken the world of home building by storm, offering the perfect balance between practicality and beauty. In today's video, we'll explore 3 stunning barndominium designs by BuildMax, each crafted to reflect elegance, function, and that cozy country feel. Stay with us till the end, because the last design might just be the perfect inspiration for your dream home. Our first design is BM2613, the Country Barndo. This home captures the essence of a timeless farmhouse with a welcoming, country-style curb appeal. At first glance, the large wraparound porch invites you to slow down, take a seat, and breathe in the peace of country living. It's not just a porch. It's an outdoor living space designed for moments of relaxation and family gatherings. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by 9-foot ceilings that create a bright, airy atmosphere throughout the home. The great room stands as the heart of the design, open, inviting, and crowned by a vaulted ceiling that draws the eye upward. A charming bridge connects the 2 upper-level bedrooms, adding both visual character and practical flow. The master suite is thoughtfully located on the first floor, giving you the privacy and comfort you deserve. It's easy to imagine waking up to morning light streaming through the windows and stepping right out to that spacious porch with a cup of coffee in hand. And if you need extra space for hobbies or work, BuildMax makes it simple. This design can easily be turned into a shop house by adding a garage or workshop to the side or back. The Country Barndo offers flexibility, comfort, and timeless appeal. The perfect fit for anyone who dreams of peaceful living with a touch of modern farmhouse style. Moving on to our second design, BM2852, a masterpiece of space, light, and family comfort. From the moment you arrive, its monitor-style architecture captures attention, with charming window awnings, natural wood accents, and a beautifully covered front porch that welcomes guests with warmth. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the breathtaking 27-foot high ceiling. Sunlight pours through expansive windows, filling the great room with natural light and a sense of openness. The layout embraces an open floor plan, seamlessly connecting the kitchen, dining area, and living space, perfect for entertaining or spending time with family. The kitchen features sliding doors that open to a 14 by 56-foot covered entertaining porch, ideal for gatherings, barbecues, or simply enjoying the fresh air and comfort. The master suite is designed as a personal retreat, complete with a walk-in closet, a custom shower, and a luxurious freestanding tub. Downstairs, 3 additional bedrooms share an oversized bathroom with triple vanity sinks, providing ample space for a growing family. Upstairs, an open balcony leads to a private loft suite, a quiet escape with its own large bathroom and serene views of the great room below. From the spacious kitchen to the cozy bedrooms, every inch of the BM2852 reflects thoughtful design and family-focused living. Whether you imagine hosting friends on the porch, or spending quiet evenings in your vaulted living space. This home offers a perfect balance of elegance and practicality. Build Max once again showcases its mastery of blending luxury with livability, a true hallmark of their design philosophy. And now, for our final design, one that beautifully combines work and home life in a single, modern space. BM 2664 is where function meets creativity, a design tailored for those who need both a shop and a home under one roof. Commonly known as a shop house or shouse, this barndominium concept merges a metal building structure with a stylish living area. It's ideal for anyone who runs a small business, works on projects, or simply loves having extra space for tools and equipment. Inside, the open floor plan brings in light and comfort, enhanced by vaulted ceilings that add a grand sense of scale. The layout begins with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. But here's where Build Max truly shines: flexibility. If you need a 4th bedroom, a home office, or an additional bathroom, it's just a sketch away. The BM 2664 encourages you to personalize your living space, whether you envision a family home, a creative workshop, or both. It's modern, adaptable, and thoughtfully designed to fit your lifestyle. In a world where people are redefining what home means, Build Max offers this plan as a blueprint for freedom. The freedom to design a home that works for you. Outro 1030 to 1046. Each of these barndominiums tells a story of comfort, beauty, and smart design. Whether you're drawn to the classic charm of the Country Barndo, the spacious warmth of the family haven, or the versatility of the shop house dream, one thing remains true: Build Max delivers quality, innovation, and craftsmanship in every home they design. If you loved exploring these beautiful homes, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more barndominium inspirations, and visit buildmax.com to start designing your dream home today.